If she says this, she's undressing you with her eyes. Hey there, it's Anna. Today we are venturing into a tantalizing and intriguing area of attraction. Understanding the things a woman says that reveal she's undressing you with her eyes. This isn't just about flirty comments or playful banter. It's about those specific phrases that subtly yet clearly indicate her deep physical attraction to you. And by the end of this video, you will be adept at picking up these verbal cues, giving you insight into her level of interest and how she perceives you physically. And I've also got an absolutely vital bonus tip for you towards the end of the video, so be sure not to miss that. Do you always dress this well? When she asks, do you always dress this well? It's often more than just a casual inquiry about your fashion sense. This can be her way of showing appreciation for your appearance and style, hinting at a deeper level of attraction. It suggests that she's noticed the effort you put into your appearance and the attention to detail is appealing to her. Such a compliment usually indicates that she's not only observing but also appreciating what she sees, possibly imagining more. If you are interested in her, then keeping that conversation flowing while reciprocating the interest. For instance, I try to, especially when I'm meeting someone as stylish as you or only on the days that I see you. These responses acknowledge her compliment. They reflect your style confidence and subtly return the admiration. It's a light-hearted way to engage in flirtatious banter, indicating your mutual interest. Remember, the key is to respond in a manner that matches the tone of the conversation, keeping it enjoyable and respectful. How do you keep your hair so perfect? The question, how do you keep your hair so perfect, can be a sign of her paying close attention to not just your appearance, but specifically to the details of your grooming. This level of interest in something as personal as your hair care routine can be a form of subtle flirtation. It implies she's not just noticing, but is also intrigued by how you present yourself. Such specific compliments often go beyond mere politeness and can indicate a deeper attraction or interest. If you feel an attraction towards her, responding with a mix of humour and a slight compliment can be effective. Try something like, a little secret and a lot of care, but I guess it's all worth it when someone like you notices. Or it's all for impressing discerning eyes like yours. This kind of response acknowledges her interest playfully and invites further conversation. It's a way to engage with her flirtation lightly and shows that you are receptive to her attention. I would love to see your casual style. When she expresses a desire to see your casual style, it often indicates an interest in getting to know you beyond the current context, perhaps in a more relaxed and intimate setting. This statement suggests that she's curious about different facets of your personality, which your casual attire might reflect. It's a subtle way of saying that really she wants to see you in different environments, potentially in scenarios that are more personal and less formal. This interest in your various styles can signify a deeper curiosity and attraction towards you. If you are interested in her and comfortable with the idea, of course, this could be a great opportunity to suggest a casual meetup. You might respond with, maybe we could grab coffee this weekend. I promise my casual style won't disappoint. This kind of response not only shows that you are open to her suggestion, but also takes the initiative to plan something more formal. It's a way of inviting her into a different aspect of your life while showing that you are responsive to her interests. I'm a sucker for a man in your clothing style. When she specifically mentions that she's a sucker for a man in your clothing style, it's more than just a compliment about your fashion sense. It implies a deeper level of attraction linked to the way that you dress. This kind of statement suggests that your particular style resonates with her on an aesthetic and possibly a romantic level. It's an acknowledgement that something about your personal style is not only appealing to her, but might also be influencing her attraction towards you. If you are interested in her, this is an excellent opportunity to engage in playful and flirtatious banter. A response like, well then I'll have to wear this style more often, or good to know, I'll keep that in mind for our next meeting. This can show that you appreciate a compliment and are reciprocating the flirtatious undertone. It's a way to acknowledge her attraction and express your mutual interest in a light-hearted and charming manner. And hey, if you find these videos helpful, perhaps you could do a little something for me. A quick like or a comment is all it takes to help me out against the algorithm, and I'd be really thankful for it. Now, let's move on. Do you have a hidden tattoo? When she asks about a hidden tattoo, it's often often more than just casual curiosity. This question can be a flirtatious way to express interest in knowing more about your body and personal stories that might be associated with a tattoo. It suggests a sense of playful intrigue and can be her way of initiating a more intimate conversation. The idea of a hidden aspect adds an element of mystery and personal revelation, which can be appealing and exciting in a developing romantic context. If you are intrigued by her and want to engage in this flirtatious exchange, you can respond playfully while maintaining a sense of intrigue. For example, maybe I do, maybe I don't. Guess you'll have to find out over time. This response keeps that conversation light and playful, while also opening the door for future interactions and personal sharing. It's a way to reciprocate her flirtatious curiosity without revealing too much too soon, maintaining a balance between openness and keeping some mystery alive in the early stages of your connection. You look like you work out. When she remarks, "You look like you work out," it's a clear indication that she's paying attention to your physical appearance, particularly your physique. This kind of comment can be her way of complimenting your body in a somewhat indirect but meaningful manner. It implies that she finds your physical fitness attractive and is taking note of your physical attributes. Such a statement often goes beyond casual observation and can be seen as an expression of her physical attraction to you. Your response to this can be a mix of appreciation and reciprocal flirtation, especially if you are interested in her. Now you might say, "Thanks for noticing, I do put in some effort. Maybe we could go for a run or hit the gym together sometime." Now this kind of response not only acknowledges her compliment obviously, but it subtly invites her to join you in activities that actually could lead to spending more time together. It's a way of showing that you are open to exploring the connection further, using shared interests as a potential avenue. Bonus tip. To complement these insights, our bonus tip is the art of reciprocal flirtation. Now, it's a crucial skill in the early stages of attraction, helping you respond appropriately and engagingly to flirtatious comments. Reciprocal flirtation involves understanding and matching the tone and level of flirtation being offered. It's about reading her cues, responding in a way that shows mutual interest without overstepping boundaries. This skill requires a balance of humor, respect, and sensitivity. For example, if she makes a playful comment about your style, reciprocate with equal playfulness while keeping the conversation respectful and light. This approach helps in building a comfortable rapport and demonstrates that you are in tune with her signals, but also about body language and showing that you are engaged and interested. Mastering reciprocal flirtation can significantly enhance your dating experience. It leads to more enjoyable and meaningful interactions, making both parties feel heard and appreciated. This practice fosters a mutual understanding and connection, setting the foundation for a potentially deeper relationship based on mutual attraction and respect. Now that you know she's interested in you, what's next for you? Discover the things that she does when she wants you badly, or learn the places that women desire to be touched. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.